bunch of TikTokers were doing this weird challenge, get an oversized garbage bag and they sit in it, get a vacuum, and it sucks the garbage bag tight to your body.
Oh my god, that's so tight!
So good morning and welcome back to another video. I'm Colin and you already know, once again, I do stuff and things. Today is day number 4 of Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is kind of like Christmas. And speaking of Christmas now, it is 46 degrees outside, and it's 46 degrees outside. It's almost 50 degrees outside, and it's December. So I guess that means I could go outside for a minute with you guys. Might as well. It's 50 degrees outside, so might as well. It's not even cold outside. See, watch this bomb lighting. Get ready for it. Bomb lighting. Yeah, you already know how it is. Bomb lighting. Oh, I am dressed up today. Okay, well, now there are dogs ruining my outside time, so I'm gonna go back inside. So I actually got today's video idea from TikTok. A whole bunch of TikTokers were doing this weird challenge where they get an oversized garbage bag and they sit in it and they get a vacuum and they suck out all the air and it sucks the garbage bag tight to your body. So that's what I'm gonna be attempting today, and I have a helper today. I have a helper today for today's video. You know? Helper? You know, helper?
Do that again.
Why? That was good, it was awkward. Speaking of day number 4 of Vlogmas, once again, you already know we gotta do the 24 days of chocolate till Christmas. I know it's a bit cringy, but I explained in the first video why I do this. I do this every year. So we gotta look for day number 4. And once again, I am terrible at, oh wow, that's a new record. Found it instantly. What is it today? I don't know what this is. What is this? I have no clue what this is. Right here. Is it this dude?
Wait. Let me figure it out.
Let me see it. Well, today's a mystery. Whatever. So today, they are making themselves some chili. And I'm a big fan of chili. It's one of my favorite foods in the whole world. I just absolutely love chili. I love chili so much. So that's what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight, is chili. Really? I was trying to trigger her because I don't like chili, but whatever. So I gotta look for my oversized garbage bags. The garbage bags are not in here anymore. From here, oversized garbage bags. Oversized garbage bags. No, these are not oversized. Those are normal size. Maybe oversized are downstairs. So I think this is what I was looking for. Oversized garbage bag. So now we gotta see if I could actually fit in this thing. See if it's big enough, because I have not attempted this yet.
The green one?
Yes.
In that hole there.
The quiet one.
Green.
The green one, that was the red one. Well, where is the green
In the
one?
hole there.
You didn't say that while I was down there?
In the hole? You didn't ask? You didn't.
Yes, I did. I asked for the green one, and it's on camera too. So apparently it's in this hallway. See a table, see that, I see our Christmas stuff. I don't see a vacuum.
But did you look?
Maybe if you would have told me to open all my eyes, I would have found it. I found the green vacuum. So I have the big garbage bags, and once again, I gotta embrace the Vlogmas spirit. I got the Christmas tree in the background again. So I guess I'm just gonna go for it. I got a huge garbage bag. If this isn't big enough to fit me, I don't know hell it is. This thing is huge. I gotta try and do this, I guess without ripping it. I guess.
There you go.
Oh my lord. So, I'm all the way in the bag. So now I guess I just... So my special assistant's gonna hand me the bag. And the people, they just stick it in, I guess? And I guess I'm just gonna try and...
Here, put it right here.
I'm gonna cross...
Put it on your shoulder.
I'm gonna cross my legs. See if that's easier.
Put this like in right here. And then pull it close over you.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Here we go. Turn it off. It's stuck in the bag. It's too far down. Okay, now turn it on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, turn it off. That gets tight. My feet were gonna rip a hole in there.
Curl them in. So your nails don't rip a hole.
I was not expecting that to feel like that. That was... Okay, now try. Oh my god, that's so tight.
You popped a hole in the bag.
Oh my god, that got so tight.
You okay? Did it take your breath away?
Yes, that did definitely take my breath away. I was not expecting this to work that well. That got so tight. That was almost to the point where it hurt. Your turn? You wanna go? Okay. So luckily we have multiple big bags because that bag popped underneath my butt. So I'm gonna give it a go again. And I have my camera on the tripod. So we're also gonna see if my lovely assistant can do it too. Okay, so Alexis is going to go now. And she gets to experience what I felt. Oh yeah, look at her. She fits in it better than I do. Yeah. Yeah, put it over your head. That's good. So you can't breathe. Here's her first attempt.
Where did it pop? Oh, over there.
So I'm gonna give it a go again and I'm gonna see if it pops again. Hopefully it doesn't pop as fast as it did for her. Hey. None of that. No judgment.
Pull it out from under your butt.
This is a no judgment zone. Alright, so I'm gonna try and curl my toes. I know that sounds weird. gonna try and curl my toes so I don't
Cut the bag open.
pop the bag with my sharp toes, if that makes sense. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
It popped fast. Where did it pop?
Underneath my butt again.
I'll put that in there. Ooh,
What?
it's an opposite jerk.
Congrats, it's a Colin. Don't try this at home. When I was in that garbage bag, when it got super tight for that such a long time, it was squeezing me so hard, and it was like there was no room for my lungs to breathe. So it was just hard to breathe because my lungs had nowhere to move.
Colin, go to the other side.
Okay, Alexis, I'll go to the other side and help you. Liquid gold, candy canes. Candy canes for the tree? Big moves, big moves. Oh my gosh. So I kind of spotted this. Sugar Cookie Crunch. Limited edition. Oh my lord, that looks amazing.
Sorry.
Really?
So if you enjoyed this video,
So right now, we are in the process of making food. They are making this good looking chili over here. It just looks so good. So we're gonna eat some chili. So you already know Colin's gonna have some baby food.
because we put spices in it.
Yeah, Colin's a big baby, so Colin's gonna have some baby food. I'm having Velveeta, mac and cheese, because I'm a baby. You made a mess.
Yes, I did, and I have to clean it up. Seem more obvious.
Seeing you. Oh, you're a captain, obvious.
Made a mess.
Look at that mess she made. Look at that mess this one made. So if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel because I'm Colin and I do stuff and things on this channel. And let me know if you guys did enjoy today's video because I thought it was so funny. That was the first time I ever spoke that fast and didn't stutter.
Oh my goodness.
Your kitchen? It's not your kitchen. I thought
I'm the chef.
Oh, so now you're a chef.
You're a chef?
You, I always call you a chef and you say you're not a
I'm
chef.
making your food today.
You've always made food and you've never said you were a chef, so
Okay.
you're not a chef.
Okay, I'm cooking and
I'm
you're in my
Chef
workspace. So
I'm
get
Chef
out.
Boyer Colin.